Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of The Walk Around. Grab your popcorn, get some drinks, and enjoy the show.
Hello guys, it's probably back with another awesome video. I love my fire blades, especially with the HRC kit. I love the HRC kit more than the Repsol kit. I don't know why. It's just the beautiful, the black and not the black, the blue and the white. It's just an awesome color scheme. This one today we have a 2009 CBR 1000 fire blade. So sorry, it's a 1000 sorry, just need to put that in. So it is a beautiful machine. We're gonna dive into it. Guys are gonna hear how it sounds also. I'm excited to show you guys about this one. So, hope you guys enjoy. Stay with us. Yes, let's do it. Hey guys, yeah, this side, as you can see, also very beautiful, maintained, awesome fading kit. I love the tank pads, as you guys can see, that splashes the blue and the whites and everything. The tank pads here, it's everything just matches so beautifully. It's awesome. I love the gold rims that comes with it, as you guys can see here. Let's go down. The gold rims, the chain also in very good condition. It has the stuff for the stand at the back. It has its passenger pegs. It does not have a passenger seat, but you can always get one. It's not a train smash, but yeah, as you guys can see, just a beautiful maintained of the bike. You can see the gold rims more on this side here. The shocks, no shock leaks, everything. And one thing that this thing has that I want to put and I want to say in the video is, look at that little quick shifter for you guys, eh? What is awesome one. It's the first one I do with a quick shifter, so it's quite nice to see that. I love the quick shifters. So yeah. So guys, let's jump on this thing and then we can hear how it sounds. You guys can see how it goes on and everything. And yeah, beautiful bike. Let's do this. Okay guys, on top here, as you can see, still very beautiful grips here. We go focus camera. Yeshi, focus. As a domino grips, very beautiful. This side the same. Also shorter lever is the one that you can adjust to your liking, as you can see there. And here also the tank, or not the tank, the pads stuff that goes with the other tank pads, so it's quite beautiful. Let's turn this thing on and we can go from there. Okay, just give me a second. Let's get off this thing. Yeah guys, as you heard, that thing sounds incredible. It's beautiful. But yeah, I love the mirrors, just because of the indicators on the mirrors. I don't like the aftermarket ones. You can't see with the aftermarket ones, so that's what I like about the stock mirrors and with the indicators on it. It's beautiful. I love it. And the tires here, basically brand new tires, as you guys can see. Let's get closer. Brand new tires, everything just in beautiful condition. One thing I saw with a little bit of wear and tear is here in the mirror, as you can see, there's a little bit of a chip, but that's nothing compared to how this bike looks. Oh, and you can see here there's a few scratches here, but nothing to worry about. Yeah guys, this is a beautiful bike. I love the quick shifter on this bike. Honda especially, I love my Hondas, my Suzuki, my Hondas. I'm a big fan of them. So it's good to see a quick shifter on one. I think a lot of people like quick shifters and I don't want to put one on, so I want one with a quick shifter already on it. So yeah, it's beautiful bike. I'm not sure what brand the exhaust bike was, but you guys will probably know of the shape and everything with the exhaust pipe is, but I'm not sure. But just look at that beautiful rim with those stuff in. It just, I can't just imagine how beautiful it looks when you ride it. So yeah, it is a 4-cylinder motor, so obviously it's 1000cc, but yeah, it's Michelin tires, so that's another one to see. Off the front, yeah, Michelin tires. But yeah guys, that's it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. There's nothing more to show except here at the bottom here, just there, a little bit of a scratchy there, but nothing major. That's the only scratches and some wear and tear I saw on this bike. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Come to Dewet&Bikes, get your beautiful CBR and ride off to the sunset with this one, guys. I hope you guys see you in the next one. Peace.